Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Discover the pinnacle of style with our ultimate console table design, inspiration and top signboard buffet ideas tailored for your home. Elevate your living space with sleek and sophisticated console table, boasting clean lines and modern finishes. Drive into the realm of chic signboard designs, perfect for adding both storage and style to your dining area or hallway. Explore rustic elegance with reclaimed wood signboard, excluding warmth and character ambience. Minimalist charm with Scandinavian-inspired console tables, ideas for creating a serene atmosphere. Unveil the allure of industrial edge through metal and wood combinations, adding an urban flair to any room. Delve into the glamour of art deco with geometric shapes and luxurious materials, infusing your space with timeless elegance. Whether you sleek coastal vibes, vintage charm, or multifunctional design, our curated selection guarantees to inspire your interior decor journey. Upgrade your home with these exquisite console table signboard offered ideas, elevating every corner with style and functionality. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.